Hello again viewers, down at Alicante Beach, a new destination, doing a few walks, finding different places in Alicante, some nice wee bits near the cathedral, and we're just next to the Malia Hotel. I've done a wee video in there so you'll see it in the channel soon. Thanks for joining me. The weather is still dodgy here. It's 16.6 degrees according to this wee temperature thing over here. It's cloudy but you can see behind me the sun is desperate to get out. I think it's going to get really hot later on. Obviously that's when I'm going on the flight with Ryanair, so I'll miss the sun. But all good things have to come to an end, don't they? Let's take a wee walk down here. I'll show you some restaurants quite close to this area as well. And I've done videos in the marina, and I've also done a video in the Malia Hotel showing you that, so they'll be on the channel soon. Let's take a wee walk. So it's quite a big wee restaurant here. See what I've done there, big wee restaurant. Somebody says the other day, Kevin, you're saying wee so many times. I even said wee tiny in a video. Famous Scottish word wee. So the beach is pretty decent, the beach. It's fine, does the job, doesn't it? Let me know if you've been on Alicante Beach before. They're quite ambitious with the sun loungers with the weather today, but we'll see later on. It is supposed to get really nice. I was going to do a beach walk, but don't think there's much point, to be honest with you. There's not much going on at the moment. There's a view. Nice, eh? I've started to find really nice wee bits in Alicante. Somebody mentioned in another video, the first video I done when it was pouring the rain, and I said, oh, I should have just stayed in Benidorm because I'm not going to be able to do any videos. So don't take any offence, Alicante fans, if you see me in a couple of videos saying this place isn't the prettiest I've seen. That's basically up where I'm staying is pretty standard city views, whereas you come down to the cathedral and other places, it's really quite nice. So I have started to find some really nice places. You're going to see a few videos on the channel soon anyway. We're going to cross over here just a wee minute. It's a very, very busy road here. The green man's on, so let's go. Malia Hotel is just down there on the left hand side. Oh. Every 20 minutes, the bus to the airport. I might be getting that later on. I thought that I'd need to go to the bus station, quite far away. I can come down here. Casino over there as well. Also down at the marina, there's quite a few restaurants. There's a few actual late night bars down at the marina, kind of more aimed towards the Spanish locals, I think. Another wee hotel up there as well. Nice building there. So there is a complete mix of buildings. Alicante, like the old town area and round about here, I think is really, really nice. Really nice. Check this out. Need any tourist information, just head there. Now, last night the rain actually went off and I managed to get quite a few videos done. So I've actually done a video round about here last night, but I'll do one anyway because during the day it's kind of a bit of a different feel to it. Beautiful building that. See how busy the road is? Pretty busy. Need to wait in the green man. This guy's taking the risk, isn't he? He's going for it. Big wide roads in Alicante, that's one thing I've noticed. And some beautiful streets that you'll see in a minute. They're paved with big trees. There's a countdown. You see it, viewers? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, green man, come on. And you've got 28 seconds to cross this road, which I think is pretty reasonable. Oh, there's the police. Okay, so remember I was telling you about the beautiful streets? How nice is that? Remember, I'm only in Alicante for one day, and it's not even a full day because of the rain yesterday. I couldn't get to see a lot, but I'm never going to do a place justice in one day. So if I miss your favourite place in Alicante, I apologise. I'm trying my best going around finding places. I have done quite a few videos, so I think you'll quite enjoy some of the other videos I've done, and I found a few interesting places as well. Breakfast here. Desayunos. Lovely buildings. So there's quite a contrast, I would say, to different areas in Alicante. I much prefer down round about here. You'll see other videos when I walk through near the cathedral as well. I've done a video in the cathedral. Nobody watches cathedral videos, but I've done one anyway because it's quite a beautiful building inside. Let's head down here. Frozen yogurt place, cocktail bar. Bit of a contrast to Benidorm, viewers, when I was doing the videos there. Benidorm's absolutely packed. Alicante, by all accounts, at the weekend is very, very busy as well. I found a couple of streets last night that were very, very busy, mostly because people were watching the football. But obviously it's got more of a quieter, Spanish, relaxed vibe here. So if you like that sort of thing, I think you'll like Alicante. Burger King. McDonald's just coming up here as well, so you've got a wee selection. We'll take a right in a minute. So quite a few people say to come down to where the Malia Hotel is, the marina. There's a lot of nice restaurants. I'm assuming it's maybe up, it's this street, but maybe it's somewhere else and I've missed it. But I have got quite a few videos, as I said, going through the other areas. Sun's coming out, nice one. Take a wee right here. I had a really nice tapas last night in a place called D Tablas, D apostrophe Tablas. Very unique. You go in, there's no menu. They've just got staff with plates going around, and you pick them off the plate. €1.30 for a tapas. So you could literally have about 10 different things. Really, really good. Authentic Spanish. I'd recommend it if you're coming to Alicante. And there it's there. I didn't even know. I've done another video showing you this. It was really, really busy. Place next to it as well. So if you're coming to Alicante, go in here for tapas, you'll love it. They had so many different dishes, a good variety of fish, even vegetarian dishes. They had the nicest spring rolls I've ever tasted. They were in a wee tiny sauce. Beautiful. I don't know if it's open just now. Oh, it's just open, I think. Nice. It's a really nice place. I was just sitting over in the corner at the window, so you can actually sit at the window open. Really good. Round here, a couple other things as well. I've got more videos on the channel coming up showing you Alicante. It's quite spread out. It's not as compact as like somewhere like Malaga. It's quite spread out. Nice over there, you can see it, the blue lights. Nice. Oh, it's going to risk it there, viewers. We'll have to wait. A lot of people selling the lottery here, I've noticed. You see them in the green jackets. Nice wee restaurant over there. It is a nice city, there's no doubt in it, it is a nice city. You just need to find the right places. The side street here as well. I think I was down here last night, I did take a couple of videos. Yeah, I did. Santa Faz. Hardcore, that guy. 10:30 in the morning, he's got a beer. Must have been holiday. Some nice views down here. The ice cream place. Done a few videos showing you menu and places if you're thinking, oh, why we're not showing the menu stuff. Done quite a few videos. Nice little place in there as well. Still watching? Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Hopefully I'm showing you somewhere different. Maybe somewhere you might never come to and you maybe seen it just on YouTube. So I'll try and do it justice with all the videos that I've done. I'm going to miss things. Alicante fans, I apologise. It's been nice being here for the day anyway. I love to see new places. I was trying to get my bearings there, figure out where I was. More wee side streets up here as well. One thing I've noticed in Alicante, there's some absolutely beautiful trees. A lot of the streets, these wee balconies, are nice. It's a nice wee bit here, eh? Busy in there. Again, I've done some videos last night. The weather was pretty bad, so there was nobody here last night. This place looks nice. Tapas to share. 10 mixed tapas, €30. That's Rosa. It's nice here. People getting their pictures. Lovely setting, eh? Getting hot, viewers, getting hot. Thanks for watching. I need to get this fleece off. I need to go back up to the hostel to negotiate a late checkout room. They want €10 to stay at 2 o'clock. My flight's not till 5, so I don't know what to do because I've nowhere to leave my bag, and I can't trust leaving it there because if I go back and they're not at reception, I've got nowhere to get my suitcase. So we'll wait and see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know, what do you think of Alicante? It's quite a nice place. Do me a wee favour, if you're new to the channel, hit the wee red button that says subscribe, it's absolutely free, and give it a wee thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Regular viewers who've been with you a long time, thank you so much for watching this video. We started off in Tenerife, we've ended up in Alicante. Great to see different places. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.